Hey, so back in 1998, I started building websites. I was about 16 years old. And then when I graduated from college in 2004, I got hired by an attorney. And even though she was terrible and mean and made me cry, she was also brilliant in her own right. And she invested in me learning search engine optimization at that, like my first career job. And so I started learning about SEO in, I want to say, 2005. So I've been doing it for like 18 years. And so search engine optimization, it's not magic, although sometimes it feels like it. And it sure did way back in the day. It felt like magic because people would type in a couple of words into Google, this fairly new thing, and then your website could come up, and then they would hire you just from like cruising your website. And that's how I started my business. Was like that. It was awesome.